Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how I achieved this wonderful, beautiful, amazing balloon centerpiece. And guys, I know you're new to my channel, so please hit the subscribe button and comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video. And if you want to know how I achieved the centerpiece, please keep on watching. So guys, I'll be showing you the materials which I used for this project, one of which is the hula hoop. I actually spray painted this color, and you can spray paint yours to any desired color of your choice. I'll be using a cake board also, but if you don't have a cake board, you could use a round wood board and spray paint it to any desired color of your choice. And of course, the red balloons, the red ones to be precise, is what I'll be using for this centerpiece. You need a hot glue gun, very important, and a black thread, which is optional. I'll prefer that you use a fish line for this project. I totally forgot about the flowers. I'm so sorry about that, guys. So you will be needing a flower to achieve this centerpiece. So without wasting so much time, let's jump right into it. So guys, I started off by gluing the wood brick to the board, but before then I had to take a proper measurement of where I needed my hula hoop to be on the board. You need to be sure of your placement, guys. You don't want to rush this process. So when I was sure and certain of that's when I went in and placed my hula hoop to the board. The hot glue glues very fast, so if you're not sure of your placement, you could actually make a very big mess of your work. So when I was sure of I gently and carefully placed the hula hoop to the board. I had to apply some pressure, held it in for about 20 seconds. When I was very sure and certain that it was held in place and firm to the board, that was when I let go of it. This process is quite easy, guys. If you're not careful, you could actually spoil it, but it's very easy if you follow the process. Dun da da dun! It's time to blow in some air into this balloon, and I'm going to be using a thread to secure my balloon. I don't know why I like doing this, but like I said earlier in this video, it is optional. You don't have to. You could actually knot the balloon itself, or better still, if you must use something to tie, you could use a fish line. Then if it's not convenient for you to use your mouth to blow in some air into the balloon, then you could actually use an electric balloon pumper or any pumper of your choice. Yep, I like using that for bigger projects because this is not so much of a big project, it's just something little. Yep, so my mouth can actually go in for it. As you can see, all the balloons right in front of you was done by me. Alright guys, so after that I went in by joining the balloons in 2s, 3s and 4s. Yes, so you want your balloon arrangement to be done step by step. You want it to look a bit organized and a bit arranged. So if you want your picture or your centerpiece to look like you have to do it like me. Yep. So after that, I decided to intertwine the balloons I've joined into the hula hoop. Is that English correct? Anyone, shall you understand what I'm trying to say on what I'm doing? So yes, you have to carefully do that because you don't want to deflate any of your balloons. So guys, this is basically it. Yep. Then after that, I went in with some flowers, and here you have it, your beautiful, amazing balloon centerpiece. Isn't it amazing, guys? It's so simple. You could use it for a baby shower, a bridal shower, or a birthday party. It's so elegant, simple and classy. You get, guys, please like and do comment below. Let me know what you think. If there was something I would have done much better, please let me know. Or if there's any idea you need to share with me, or there's anything you thought I would have improved much better on, please comment down below. I'll be going through your comment and let me know. Oh gosh, I'd hate to say this, but I have to go. Till when next I see you again in my next video, kindly follow my page, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Mwah! Love you guys.